How can or do alcohol and desserts, I'll be honest, I enjoy both of those things, fit into the Mediterranean diet?
Yeah, so I guess I'll start with alcohol. So traditionally, the beverage we would see would be like a wine. Um, and people do consume that in the Mediterranean diet, smaller amounts though. And I think it's important to remember that, let's say the Mediterranean diet has, say 7 or so drinks a week, approximately one a day. People shouldn't save up all 7 for Saturday night. Like, that's not how it works. It's
Right.
about small, moderate amounts throughout the week, not just binge drinking on the weekends. Yeah, because some studies look at like tally it up by drinks per week. But just to
Mhm.
clarify, that does not mean they can all be consumed in one day.
Thank you.
Um,
Thanks for clarifying.
but yeah, so a wine is definitely, grapes grow really well there. It's a fermented beverage, so it keeps well. So it just kind of makes sense to have around. Um, with desserts, I would say Mediterranean diet desserts are a little different than how we might think of desserts in the United States today. I think, what we might be used to is like cupcakes and cookies and, just like the afternoon treat or the after dinner treat, things like that. And in the Mediterranean diet, there are a lot of really beautiful like cakes and, really sweet treats, but those tended to be more like celebration foods. So they weren't really a staple of every single day eating, but it was more for like at a wedding or a religious celebration. And instead, they got their daily sweetness from things more fruit-based type of desserts. So,
Mhm.
today we can practice that at home, like grilling peaches or poaching
Mm.
pears, or even doing some type of a fruit tart where, we're trying to make fruit the center of it, more so than, what we might find at the supermarket or the bakery.